do the same lab what we done in our previous class, but here we will use more switches. Example, I have one more switch here. Before what we done, we have only one switch. So imagine, let me create one scenario. I will say here, this is my first floor and this is my second floor. Okay, this is my first floor and this is my second floor. Let me give the switch name. I can give this is SW1 and this is the SW2. So what we will say we have the switch. First floor is having one switch, second floor is having one switch. And if you see, I can connect like this. I can connect like this. And also what I can do here, if you see, I have here the color. I can take the box or circle. Some background noise is coming. Someone is unmute. I think they can mute, and when they have question they can unmute themselves. Okay, so I will click here fill color and I can select which color I want to take. I can take anything. Let me take this one as a first floor. So I can indicate this as a first floor, and we have one switch here, and I can take any color for second floor. That is up to you. Just I am making this different color here, but that is up to you. Even if you don't want to take this color, without that color also we can do the lab. So what I can say here, I can say this is the first floor, this is the second floor, and imagine you have one switch here and another switch is here. First floor, second floor, you have like two switches, and you have some VLAN here, like same thing as we done before. Example, I have here two VLAN. I can take like VLAN 10, 20, same thing what we done. So I will take two computer in VLAN 10 and two computer in VLAN 20. Same thing, two computer in VLAN 10, two computer in VLAN 20, and I can connect with the cable. So this one I can say F0 by 2, F0 by 3 for VLAN 10, and this one F0 by 4, F0 by 5 for VLAN 20. Same thing here, you will have F0 by 2, F0 by 3, and here will be F0 by 4, F0 by 5. And if you want to differentiate, you can differentiate also. Example, you can go here and take any color which we still not use. So I can say this color for VLAN 10, maybe I can say like this. We can say this is VLAN 10. So wherever I have the VLAN 10, I will put that same color. So by seeing this one, we can easily figure out this color belongs to VLAN 10. And let me take some other color. Maybe I will take this one for VLAN 20. So I will put this color here. Or this one not look that much good, so I can put something different. It look more red. Anyhow, just to differentiate so you can easily understand, I am taking that color. That is up to you which one you want to take. Any color you can take. If I take any, let me take any light color. Actually I want to differentiate. Anyhow, let me take, and I will put this green color where I am using, that is for VLAN 20. Just I am differentiating, and this other color, the yellow and the sky, is representing the first floor and the second floor. So I can write here, this one is the first floor and this one is the second floor. So we have this one, first floor and second floor, like this. And what we can say, this one we can write, this belongs to VLAN 10. VLAN 10. Name we will give like HR, and the IP schema, whatever IP schema we are going to use, let me put this way like 10.0. So for VLAN 10, in the real scenario also we will take like these types of IP schema, like which VLAN we are doing, we will use that one. So let me explain you that again. See here, first of all I am saying this color belongs to VLAN 10. So wherever I am creating the VLAN 10, I will put this color. That is up to us. Just I am putting here, but even without this one we can do, no issue. And I am putting this sticker here saying that one, this 2 PC belongs to VLAN 10 and VLAN 10 name should be HR, and we are going to use the IP address for this particular VLAN, this IP 192.168.10.0 means 10.1 here, 10.2 here, and /24 means default value, whatever that's 255.255.255.0, that will be default value. So same thing I am going to put here also. If you see this one here I have, so I put here also. And now let me put for the VLAN 20. So 20, we can say we have VLAN 20 and we can give the different name here. So what name I can give? I can give like IT, anything you can give. I am using this one. And IP schema I will use for VLAN 20 is 20 dot something. So by seeing the IP address you can easily figure out this belongs to VLAN 10. So depending upon the company, some companies are following these types of IP sequence, the IP schema. Like by seeing the IP address you can easily figure out this IP belongs to VLAN 20. How we will figure out means if you see 192.168.20.0, so you have 20, third digit here 20, so VLAN 20. If you see here this is a 10.0, so this is a VLAN 10. But depend, it is not like every company should follow this procedure, this rule. This depend company to company. Some companies are using this way. Most of the projects I saw this way only, but that is also depend. Some companies are using different also. So what I done here, just I wrote here, I have the first floor, I have the second floor, we should create the VLAN 10 and 20. Like imagine you have some small company, they have only first floor and you have two departments, they are working in the first floor. Later they have one more projects and they hire the new staff, some more staff, and they don't have the space in the first floor. So what they done, they taken the second floor also and they deploy 2 employees from the HR in the second floor, 2 employees from the IT in the second floor. You cannot say to your company don't put all HR guy in the, like you cannot say to your company manager or your manager don't put HR here, you have HR here, so put IT should be go to second floor, all HR should go to first floor. You cannot say like this. In the company, if we are from the IT department, we cannot say like let them sit here only. In the first floor already you have the HR, so put all HR guy in the first floor and all IT guys should be in the second floor. We cannot say like that. Whatever they ask us, we need to do the configuration. Whatever the company or whatever your manager is asking, you need to do that one. We cannot say how I can make the configuration, because you remember this is a cable. In this cable only the traffic will go only one VLAN. We are going to see that one, how only one VLAN is going. By default all the ports of the Cisco switch is in the VLAN 1. You remember that one. In our previous class we discussed all the ports of the Cisco switch belongs to VLAN 1, so only VLAN 1 traffic will go here. But now we need to send VLAN 20 and VLAN 10 traffic also. And later if they hire some more and if they taken the third floor and they are sitting some department, we cannot ask all the department guys can sit in first floor or second floor. We cannot say like this. Whatever our manager give us task, we need to do that one. So here we have first floor, 2 departments are sitting in the first floor, same 2 departments, some guys are sitting in second floor also. So if we want to put these 2 guys in the VLAN 10 here, again we need to create the VLAN 10 and we need to put these 2 guys also. And these 2 guys belongs to VLAN 20, here also these 2 guys belongs to VLAN 20. We need to do these types of configuration. So we will understand and how we can figure out this one we will check. So first of all, we already know this is a VLAN lab, so I can write here VLAN lab 2. VLAN lab 2, and you can start the configuration as we done before. So I will write switch 1 configuration and we can do the configuration whatever we want to do. Later we will look how we can do or what we can do, the link which is connecting from one switch to another switch.